This will make your garden explode with growth.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I saw me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
So usually I water my plants before I apply my liquid fertilizer. And the reason for that is because I don't dilute my fertilizer. If it's too concentrated, then the water will dilute it for me, as well as watering gives the fertilizer better access to the roots, and so the nutrients will get to the roots quite easily. It is evening now, so I ensure that I water the base of the plant or the soil. Right? I'm not trying to wet my foliage right now. If it was morning, then that would be okay because they will get enough time to dry out. I will link a video in the description of how I got to here. It smells really bad. So if you're new to it, I highly recommend that you wear a mask if you do this. Alright? The video will give you all the information there is about this gold, this magic I have right here. So inside here I will be adding these kitchen scraps, and it's just about anything that you use in the kitchen. I also add some coffee grounds to it and some horse manure as well too. Not inside this, previously inside here. So I'm almost done watering. I can tell you, when I have stuff to do and I have to do this, it feels like pain, but it's actually something that I love to do, you know. It is very therapeutic, but I have things to do right now, and it is getting a little late. Well, not late, dark-ish. I'm actually using this bucket to make my life a little easier instead of using this. This is better. That's less that's less strict for me. I need to stir it up a little. Smells really bad. Put on my gloves. Some containers will get it more than some. And like I'm doing this right now, so I do it this evening. I will not water tomorrow. I will water the next day in the morning. I'm giving the plant some time to absorb all of that nutrients properly. I am not giving them too much because I'm not trying to get them to drain out. I want it to settle in the container. And you'll find that the bigger containers will get more than the smaller ones. And some plants will get more. The every feeders will get more than the not every feeders. Not every feeders. This is what is left, so I'm just going to top up the bag right now with these and fill up back the drum with water. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, welcome.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.